everyone, it's Natasha. In today's video, I wanted to show you these historic cartoons. These are cards that have a historical cartoon on the front and information on the back comes in this case. There are 50 cards. And so you see on the front and then on the back, it has the information about the cartoon. So this is Join or Die from May 9th, 1754. And then we have the Bostonians paying the exciseman or tarring and feathering from October 31st, 1774. And then we have the Patriotic Barber of New York, or the Captain and the Suds from February 14th, 1775. And so it goes through history with these historic cartoons and gives you information about them, what was going on in history at that time. And so I thought these were an amazing supplement to any American history program for homeschoolers, teachers, or just anybody who loves history. These would make a fantastic gift as well. So if you use my code, you can get a discount on these yourself. And so I will leave that code down below. But I hope you enjoy these. These are really high quality too. And they're quite beautiful. I can see using these for studying, for your timeline, for writing essays on these, all kinds of things that these could be used for. I plan to use these in my homeschool and also in my, job as an online teacher. I plan to use these both. So if you are an online teacher like me, these would work great because you can show these via Zoom. But if you're a traditional teacher in a brick and mortar school, you can also use them, or perfect for homeschooling as well. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll put the link down below where you can get these for yourselves along with my code. All right, thanks everybody, and I'll see you next time.